Hello everyone, I welcome you all. History Standard 8th Chapter 7 Non-Cooperation Movement Part 2. In Part 1 we have discussed work of Mahatma Gandhiji in South Africa, arrival of Gandhiji in India, Champaranya Satyagraha, Ahmedabad's workers' Misa Satyagraha and the success, even the Jallianwala Bagh incident. And in this video we are going to discuss there is Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement and its progress, and the demand for the Purna Swaraj. See Khilafat movement, first one. Muslims all over the world regarded the ruler of Turkey as their religious leader. During the First World War, Turkey fought against the British. To get the support of the Indian Muslims in the war, the British had assured that after the end of the war, Khalifa's empire will not be harmed. But after the end of First World War, England did not stick to its assurance, the which assurance had given by the British side, that was not followed and had broken. Because of that, a tide of great discontent arose among the Muslims, and the movement started by Indian Muslims to support the Khalifa was called Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement. What was the effect? See, Gandhiji thought that on this problem, if the Hindus and Muslims come together and start a national movement, then the government can surely be brought to its senses. So it was the one more method introduced by Mahatma Gandhiji to teach lesson to the British government. Therefore, Gandhiji supported the Khilafat movement. The Khilafat committee accepted Gandhiji's proposal of following non-cooperation to the government, and Hindu-Muslim unity was seen especially during this period. Actually, Khilafat movement, it was an injustice toward the Muslims and especially Indians, and to teach lesson to the British officers, here the non-cooperation movement was introduced with the Khilafat movement. Next, see, after Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, what it was. The concept behind the non-cooperation movement was that the British government in India is dependent only on the cooperation of the Indians. Indians are cooperating, so the British rulers are able to rule in country. It was the fact, and so the non-cooperation movement, it was taking back the cooperation and making the British government uproot from this nation. If the Indians adopted complete non-cooperation, then the British government will completely collapse, and with this intention he evoked the people, aware the people of India to take part in this movement. It was appeal to all the Indians against the British government to teach lesson to them through the non-cooperation movement. See, in the year 1920, the Indian National Congress, that we call INC, session was held at Nagpur, and in that session the resolution of non-cooperation movement put forth by Chittaranjan Das was accepted. Chittaranjan Das was a president for that conference, and that was passed. That was Nagpur session. All reins of the movement were given in the hands of Mahatma Gandhi. Reins means like all the rights were given in the hands of the Mahatma Gandhi. His idea was, and he decided to bring this program or this movement successful. According to this resolution, a program was framed to boycott government offices, courts, foreign goods, government schools and the colleges. Once again, in that program, what had included? Yes, boycott the government offices, courts, foreign goods, government schools and colleges. Then what about the progress of non-cooperation movement? On the background of non-cooperation movement, many eminent lawyers who were there, like Motilal Nehru, Chittaranjan Das, etc., boycotted the court by giving up their practices. Already it was a program or the planning had done in the non-cooperation movement resolution, and during this period with the boycott of the schools, colleges, the schemes of the national education was run. Yes, according to the national policy, the schools were started as well as the colleges were conducted, but like the ban on the British schools and the colleges. Many national schools and the colleges and the universities were established during that period on the national policy, and there was boycott of coming elections, boycott and the bonfire of foreign clothes were conducted maximum places, especially in the cities, and due to this the import of the foreign clothes decreased. Why that had decreased? Because of whatever the material had brought from the other nation to country, it was fired as well as burnt totally and destroyed by the common people. Then the progress of the non-cooperation movement, actually it was a positive change or the positive effect. In 1921, during the visit of Prince of Wales, he was welcomed by organizing Hartal. Yes, how the welcome had done, see. Yes, so organizing Hartal. Lonely roads and the clothes shops welcomed the prince. Prince understood something is wrong here, and the movement spread from the planters in Assam to rail workers in Bengal. Means like as the planters also had opposed and like as a supported non-cooperation movement, and the rail workers in the Bengal also supported fully no cooperation at all to the British government. And to bring the movement under control, the British government undertook suppressive measures. Anyhow, British government decided to like as a control this non-cooperation movement, and for that purpose, which method had followed, say, in February 1922, the police opened fire on a peaceful processions. Yes, means like the people were opposing the idea of the Britishers peacefully, but one incident had taken place at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur district of the Uttar Pradesh. That was the place. What happened? The people were angry and set fire to the police station, in which along with one officer and 22 policemen were killed. Once again, see, the people were angry and set fire to the police station, in which along with one officer and the 22 policemen were killed. Due to this incident, Gandhiji was hurt, and on 12 February 1922, Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Why this non-cooperation movement stopped that one? Because of the Chauri Chaura incident. Like the common people like use the violence method, so he suspended this method. Yes, do you know one fact? Mulshi Satyagraha, not pattern. Mulshi pattern, one movie is there, but the Mulshi Satyagraha, during the non-cooperation movement, the farmers of Mulshi Taluka in Pune district launched a Satyagraha against the government. What it was, see, and who was the leader? Senapati Pandurang Mahadev Bapat led the Mulshi Satyagraha, for which he was punished with the 6 years of imprisonment. And it was the farmers movement, and had opposed like the collection of the taxes, even like the ill treatment given to the farmers in that Taluka in the Pune district, Mulshi Satyagraha. After that, Gandhiji was arrested in March 1922. There is non-cooperation movements after, for writing 3 anti-national articles in Young India. Why he was arrested? One, he only was responsible for the non-cooperation movement. Second, number one, the 3 anti-national articles were written by his side, and the paper was Young India. Special court was set up at the Ahmedabad, and Gandhiji was sentenced 6 years of imprisonment. 6 years he was in the jail. Not only these students, later on grounds of ill health, Gandhiji was released from the jail. Gandhiji, along with non-cooperation movement, like the many other associates which were with the Gandhiji, also were the release in the matter of ill health, took up the constructive programs. When Gandhiji was in the jail, other members had taken like the constructive programs, which mainly included spread of Swadeshi, Hindu-Muslim unity, prohibition of alcohol, removal of untouchability, popularized use of khadi, and the national education. Like this policy had followed, and this was a constructive programs reach villages to the villages, and due to these constructive programs the national movement became more comprehensive in rural areas, like the poorest to the poor and the richest to the rich, men, women, children, like the school going children or the collegian students, all were participated in this non-cooperation movement. So students, hope that from this video you understood 2 points. One, Khilafat movement, what it was the Khilafat movement and what happened, and what was the view of the Mahatma Gandhi ji regarding Khilafat movement and the non-cooperation movement, and progress of the non-cooperation movement also we have discussed in this video. Hope that you understood like the maximum points. Otherwise go through the textbook or watch this video again. So students, this was the second video. We'll meet in a third video of this chapter soon. So take care of your family members, like to be socially responsible. Thank you very much.